No. Steven.
Killing me softly, baby girl, y'all killing me softly.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exciting day. We are going to the Afronation concert in Miami. Should be pretty lit. I'm already packed, ready to go. But I'm about to make a quick Starbucks run. I got to see it right here. I'm about to hit you with that co-star. So I have a question. Let me turn the music down. Am I the only one that still says small, medium, large at Starbucks? I just don't understand why they gotta make life so complicated. Tall, grande, venti. Now I'm saying, let's go back to the traditional small, medium, large. I'm trying to find some light, man. It's dark in here.
Coming for the commas, whoever you know.
Oh, they're putting it down. That's fine. Oh, yeah. Looks yummy. I didn't know I had the big. You switched it because he said no. In person. Cheers. Got everything here? I missed it. Your lobster? No, I didn't get the lobster. Yeah. They did not put the lobster in the pasta and then gave you the lobster. That looks yummy. Yummy, yummy. I mean, what she's good, you don't have to fight. I'm excited. I need to go see that view.
We gotta do an Airbnb tour. Ms. That view is
Wow.
crazy.
This is crazy.
Wow. And you got access to the balcony right there too.
I gotta go there. Not her screaming. For real, it's the screaming for me. Damn. This is ridiculous. Oh, I cannot look down there. This is absolutely.
Damn! Bro, look at that rooftop pool. That's crazy.
Whoa.
Bro, come look at this pool.
Let me see. Babe, that's the bed we almost got. I can't. I'm so scared. Oh, that's mine. This is crazy. This is freaking nice.
Wow, wow, wow. You sure you would have moved down here?
What a time to be alive. I probably would move here. Bye. Yeah.
Little vacation home.
I cannot look. It's making my head like.
Open the window. It'll help you out a little bit. Here's my living room.
To be lit.
I'm gonna put my imaginary hookah right here. That didn't come. Look at the refrigerator. Let me check this shit again. How about this refrigerator empty than a motherfucker?
Oh, that's right.
Come on, man. Where's the complimentary water and snacks?
None. Zero.
Not even one bottle of water.
Guys, let me do it now. Everything.
Not even one bottle of water. You hear me? Yeah, this place is crazy. Views. Beautiful. Moving in, guys.
This is
Leaving my house for this place. All right, guys, this fancy ass place has a booty cleaner. I don't even know what you call it, Kayla. A beignet? What they call this? That's not a beignet. A beignet is like a fucking food, nigga. I don't know. Oh shit!
Yo, it just missed my mouth.
You gotta spray with booty water.
What do you call it? I've never seen. What do you? I can't remember.
Turn it on.
Sade. Do shit. No. Did you guys get wet? Yeah, he got me. I was sitting right there, minding my business, and he turned it on.
I didn't know he would do that.
Running my face, my mouth. It's a good thing we can have to change. Yeah. That was too funny, but that's running. Yo,
This place is crazy. The views. It's crazy. I can see myself here. Hell yeah. I'm over here complaining about complimentary water. This is not enough. 2 fucking water bottles, bro. That's it. The amount of money we spent. That's crazy. So yeah, man, they got pots and pans. Kayla about to whip up her famous French onion chicken.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yeah. Kayla said she's gonna cook her French onion chicken.
You know said you're making dinner tonight. Not the French onion. No, he said you're making dinner tonight, Rose. I don't mind, but I know we're not gonna be eating in. So
Oh, make some grill. We're gonna make some. No, just playing.
I really don't mind cooking.
We is not cooking. We're gonna be eating out this whole time.
But I'm just saying, I really don't mind cooking. Dang, what time is it? Because we're actually trying to go to that thing soon.
It's late.
I'm excited.
What?
I'm kidding. Okay, let's do it quick before. Cheers to Afronation. Afronation. No, man. Full shot.
You need more?
My mouth wasn't even full, but it's fine. My battery's 9.
Pour some more.
I'm sure she about to get. It's good. I thought I got drunk. That shit is disgusting though. Let me get a chaser.
Yo, what we gonna do? Look at this, Kayla. This is not gonna
I know.
help us tonight.
Who? Babe said she didn't want to chase it. Remember, you don't do chaser, do you? Yes,
I'll chase, but not like that.
They didn't hear what I said. They hurt my feelings. No.
Damn, it's you charging your phone for me. I could have been charging my phone right now.
Oh. Your feelings were hurt for that. Sorry.
What happened?
Because I said we didn't need a chaser. Her feelings were hurt.
Oh.
I was so excited for you guys to try this one with the liquor. I like it.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Y'all got a pee?
No.
Y'all got your license?
We pee. Yes, I do.
Okay, let's go.
Do we have to pee? Uncle, is it?
Oh, just checking on y'all.
I'm old. I don't need you to tell me to go.
I'm just checking.
Go with me.
No, doesn't matter.
Yeah,
just
a little reminder. How you weren't thinking about it in the moment.
No, that's
and then
not
we just
me.
left the house.
That's never me.
Never.
No.
I don't think we'll have a problem finding a lift.
Oh shit.
Look, that's the lost. You got the lost.
Now is the time.
Cars, baby.
Let's make the
Oh, they're all right here?
Do the Excel.
Let's go.
Can you imagine doing Uber here or Lyft, whatever?
We are doing Uber.
1 minute. No, I'm saying like.
Oh, actually, we're gonna order it downstairs. It says 1 minute, baby.
1 minute. Okay, let me hold on, guys. Let me
change your battery.
Yeah.
We're gonna take them off the tripod anyway.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave the tripod here. One less thing to carry too.
That's true. How'd you know that the battery gonna last? But it already went down 8%. Let me see.
No, it didn't.
7%.
Ew.
Ew. Smell it.
Why it look like that?
No, because of the burn. It's burnt.
Why you
Smell it.
smell?
Yeah, it's so strong. It's cool. You can come down to the break if you don't care for somebody. Just come.
Yeah, go and come back. That's what. outside. Of course you get the Red Bull. I said, of course you get the Red Bull.
Baby, why you giving me long thing? Oh, you got you want to you know, stop. But I'm never lonely. When you say okay, Daddy. I can't hear you.
What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is a whole new day, better yet, a whole new week. Miami was lit, Miami was crazy. As you can see, went to a lot of cool places. Kiki on the river, went down to Biscayne Bay, went to Afronation concert, saw Burna Boy. It was jumping, okay? We had so much fun. Not only that, we even went to the strip club. I ain't got no footage of that, but just know it was lit. We had a whole lot of fun, okay? So, like I was saying, it's a whole new week. Today is June 2nd. Tomorrow is June 3rd. That is the Rick Ross concert in Georgia. You know I love me some cars, so you know I gotta go down there. I'm about to catch a flight solo dolo. I'm meeting up with my homeboy Stevens, and we're gonna have a lot of fun, and I cannot wait to get down there. So let's not waste any time. I gotta catch that flight, okay? So let's go. About to go through TSA and wait on this flight. We're here pretty early. Got about a little bit over an hour to spare. Eat my way through TSA, and I got myself a little something to eat. Bought myself some Chili's because I haven't ate anything all day. Not too crazy, just like the honey chipotle chicken tenders with some french fries. Looking decent. I'm gonna bust down real quick and then should be time to board onto the plane. So I landed. It's been a struggle to try to get this damn ride. Apparently I have AT&T and my signal sucks. I tried Lyft, nothing would load up, and I'm trying Uber. You know, it's high traffic area, it's gonna move slow. But waiting on my ride to the Airbnb. All right, I arrived to the Airbnb. I'm the first one here. Like I said, my homeboy Steven's gonna be meeting me here. Let me give you a little bit of a tour. Half bathroom. Nothing too crazy. This is like a townhouse basically. Mirrors everywhere. This is the kitchen. Nice little kitchen. Not too crazy. Just like a solid little place to chill. You know what I mean? Nice little kitchen, got little bar stools. It's nice, nice, nice. It looks good. Little Pac-Man in the corner. Reclining, sectional. Beautiful table. I almost forgot what to call it. It's a beautiful coffee table. I feel like I've seen this at like Eldorado Furniture or something like that. It's really nice. Big screen TV on the wall, fireplace that I can't figure out. A little bit of like a decorative bar thing right here in the corner. Got a little outside area to chill. But I don't see the cushions for this motherfucker. That's the only thing. I don't see any cushions. How the hell you gonna sit on this hard ass shit? Oh well. It would have been nice. They got the little umbrella and everything. Let's take you upstairs. What the hell is this? I don't know. A little storage closet. Going upstairs. I'm out of breath. Storage closet. So here is the master bedroom. Big old king size bed. A little art on the wall, whatever, nothing too crazy. Big TV. This is like a 75-inch, I believe. Double sink, toilet, shower. It's like the other bathroom upstairs. Bedroom number 2. Big TV on the wall, walk-in closet. Here goes the other bedroom. Another TV up there, another mirror. Walk-in closet. The place looks pretty solid. This is my second time coming to the Rick Ross Car Show. First time I didn't really vlog. And the place I was at was not as nice. Atlanta is a little tricky because I don't know Atlanta. So it's kind of hard for me to know what's in the hood and what's not in the hood. And the last place I was at, boy, was it a little bit of sketchy. But this place is actually pretty nice. I ain't got no complaints so far. Besides the cushion situation outside, because I like to sit outside. You know what I like to chill outside in the fresh air and whatnot. But it is what it is. So that's the Airbnb tour. I'll be back once I have something entertaining to show y'all. You can't be camera shy, bro.
I'm not camera shy.
All right, man. I'm putting you on camera right now, bro.
I mean, I don't got the outfit on.
Nah, it's cool, man. This nigga finally pulled up. Nigga like 3-4 hours late.
What do you mean? I'm on time.
And he was telling me about this, what was it, from Hertz?
Yeah. Horrible.
Charger from Hertz, smelling like fucking cigarette butts and booty cheeks. It's not, well, I don't know, man. This shit, it does smell weird in here. It does stink.
I know when my throat will start fuck up, I knew.
Hello.
I even brought basketball sneakers because he was like, we hooping. This side of the wall, you have to send it into the couch.
All right, so we got a debate right here. This nigga says the TV has to be centered to the window. I don't know. From my eyes, I don't like how that looks. You know what I'm saying? It looks weird to me. When I'm sitting down, nigga, my TV is like to the left, bro.
Bro.
That shit looks weird. If it was more this way, bro, trust me, it'll look normal, bro. I know what you're saying. Yeah, there should be a window on this side and to make the symmetry work. But I wouldn't worry about. I'll center it to that corner, to that corner.
No, so the wall, you're not going to the kitchen. The wall don't end there. It ends where the window is. So that's why
Nah.
The couch is on this corner. It's on this side of the house. So it has to be centered to the couch. So it makes sense. If it was more to the right, then it would really be off centered to the couch. Oh man, it's right. It's right.
Ah man, I can't wait to go to your house and see your crooked TV on the wall. Don't worry.
I had one like that too.
you probably did.
Good morning. Today is June 3rd, the day of the car show. And guess what? I feel like absolute shit right at this moment. We went out last night, we were drinking, we were partying, we were having fun. And I just got way too fucked up. I passed my limit. I was throwing up. This morning, I've been trying to hydrate and shit, but my energy's not there. I just feel like shit right now, bro. But I'm gonna try to muster up whatever energy I got to try to go out there for a couple of hours, man. But I am not feeling good, bro. I do not feel good at all. But I let Stevens just go ahead because it's like, bro, it was a struggle just to get out of bed, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna order myself a Uber to go to the car show. Apparently they're doing it a little different this year where there's like a a parking lot where you're supposed to go to, and then there's like a shuttle that takes you from the parking lot to the car show. So I'm gonna take an Uber there, shuttle to the car show. Hopefully everything goes smooth. It's not too late, it's only noon. You know what I'm saying? Car show starts at 11. But yeah, let's go.
Fucking lost, nice man. Point, which one, big dog? Hey, which one?
Everybody say a point. Say a point.
Which one?
gotta pay you, bro.
Which one am I pay you?
Yeah, you gotta pay you.
Which one is it, boy? Let me get one more try. Watch it here. Just point, I'm gonna pay you. This loss. Watch the wire. Watch it here. Look. Watch it. That's all right. Come on, like that. Which one? No, point.
Pay me, yo.
Show me 2,000 in this one. Show me 2,000. In 4. Separate 2. Take 4,000. Separate 2. Let's remember it.
That's it right now. That's it now.
That's to put your money.
You win back 4.
Get back 4,000. Turn it over. Oh, he missed it. It's over there. He missed that. I'll give you a bonus. I'll give you a bonus. I'll give you a bonus.
Down 1,000.
500. Look at
Down 1,000.
Cop it for 5 for the big.
Hey, listen. If you win some back,
Give me 5.
This you got it. I wasn't begging you, bro. I showed you the back first before that.
But you put the money out in the pay you.
I'm not, bro. That shit is not fair. I wasn't businessman. I showed him the game.
I was going to give you 4,000.
I had already showed this man the shit. I wasn't begging you to win the war, bro. Don't play me like that.
Listen, man.
Just give me my money and let me go. Cause I wouldn't beg you at all. Don't do me.
One, I get one. That's it, even.
You gang the shit out of me.
Yeah.
You doing
No,
that?
I lost. He just me. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. Watch. Okay, man.
All right, as you can see, I am finally back home. Car show was really fun. I would say it was not as good as last year, okay? And they had these, I showed the footage, they had these annoying little scammers with the little bottle cap trick trying to take people's money all over the place. Almost like somebody dropped off a bus full of them boys. They were taking advantage of the opportunity, just bugging everybody, trying to steal people money with that little scam or whatever, man. Claiming you're gonna win some money or whatnot. But overall, it was pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? Whenever you go out there, it's just big motivation. Seeing all these beautiful cars, all the money around you, just nothing but motivation. That's why I love going places like that, man. It was a lot of fun. And overall, it was just a pretty lit weekend. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I will see you on the next one. Deuces.